Well, thank you very much for listening. This is my last song. My name's Rupert Blackman. If you want to come and say hello after the song, please feel free. You can buy a CD. I can put my name on it. If you want to come to a show sometime in Amsterdam, the next show I play is on the 19th of December in Paradiso, which is near the Lake Klein. Otherwise, you can come to Utrecht this weekend, and I'm playing a show in Utrecht.
Vai lá, filhinho. Eu achei bonito, sabe? Numa
Otherwise, have a nice week.
Então não me faz chorar, hein?
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do, and although I came along, and I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do.
Hey, Gabby.
Hello. So I took my